Welcome back to Heavy Lies the Hype. This video is entitled Supreme Fall Winter 20 Beanie Collection. Before anything, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to enter in my giveaway. Alright, let's get it. This first beanie was in week 1, guys. This is the new Era Beanie. This had that Supreme written on the side of the beanie. Let's take a good look at the tags for any legit checkers out there. You could pause the video and check that out. Try to move my finger out the way and let's get it. Here you see the arc on the beanie. It says Supreme written on the side of the beanie. It's a new Era beanie, and you can see the different colors. Supreme is written inside. This is some soft material right here, and it's very big and bodacious. Not me, man. You can see inside there's no print there, and yeah, this is the arc beanie. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Rate it. What do you guys like about this? I like different colors around it, and yeah, man, this is the new Era. Next beanie we got is the wide rib beanie, and I got it in the natural colorway for you guys who like opening the bags. I'm gonna open the bag for you and take that out. You can see it's nice and thick, it's clean, it's fresh. I haven't worn this yet. You can see it says Supreme right there. It's hard to see because it's white and natural color, but all in all it's still a nice hat, decent beanie. Keeps you warm in the winter. These are very thick. Let's take a look inside. You can see the Supreme written right there on the tag. Check the tag out for legit checks. If you guys purchase one of these in a different colorway, let me know which one you guys got in the comments. This one is the wide rib. Let's get it to the next. This one is the world famous beanie. Sorry for my voice getting all cracked. Let me unbox this for you guys. Unbag this. Pull it out the bag. I got this in that green olive, dark olive. You can see it says world famous, shining. This also look like a kind of a wide rib, kind of, thick beanie. You can see the tags right there. Netting, the sewing on it is like shiny kind of thread. Yeah, man, world famous. Got it on the head right there. Super clean, super nice. Let's get to the next. This one is the Yoji Yamamoto new Era beanie in that olive. You can see this is the back side, guys, the back or the front, however you want to rock it. And this is the Supreme Yoji. They had the t-shirt out in this. You can see the new Era right there, subtle. There's the tags. Yoji Yamamoto new Era, and let's get it. That's how it is. Next one, the last, is the big Logo Beanie right here. Who managed to cop these, guys? I managed to cop this year, but let me show you this one. This one I copped last year, guys, and let me tell you, it's exactly the same thing, same material, same thing, same everything. Okay, same beanie from last season. Okay, same thickness, same everything. This is super thick. I rock this on a daily. There's the tags. You can see it right there for legit checks. I rock this every day, almost every day, you know. Next video, you guys want to see what I rock every day, guys. I rock a couple beanies every day. I'm gonna make a video and show you guys that. And yeah, man, I love this hat. It's nice, it's warm. And yeah, rate it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if you guys are watching, real subscribers. Let me know if this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that goody stuff, alright? And enter that giveaway. And I'll check you guys on the next one, alright? Peace. Yeah.